Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to another episode of Create with Elyse. I'm Elyse, your spiritual guide on this journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. Today, we are diving into the transformative realm of daily affirmations, exploring their profound power to shape our lives and understanding why they may not work for everyone. Before we immerse ourselves in this soul-enriching topic, please allow me to reintroduce myself. I'm Elyse, based in Singapore, a spiritual coach and healer, dedicated to assisting individuals like you in connecting with their inner wisdom, rewriting their lives, narratives, and manifesting realities that go beyond their wildest dreams. Daily affirmations. They may appear simple, but their potential to influence our lives is profound. These positive statements, when repeated with intention, can be like seeds planted in the fertile soil of our subconscious minds. With time and nurturing, they sprout into beautiful, transformative beliefs. Daily affirmations are not just mere words. They are tools for shaping our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. When we start our day with an affirmation like, I'm worthy of love and abundance, we set the tone for the day ahead. Science tells us that affirmations can rewire our brains. They can help break the cycle of negative thinking and self-doubt. As we repeat affirmations, we encourage the brain to form new neural pathways, reinforcing positive beliefs and diminishing the power of limiting beliefs. However, it's essential to recognize that affirmations don't work for everyone. Some may try them and not experience immediate results. So let's explore why this happens and how to use affirmations effectively. Affirmations may not work for everyone because they require more than just repetition. Affirmations need to align with your true beliefs. If you are battling deep-seated doubts or self-worth issues, simply repeating affirmations that contradict these beliefs may feel hollow. Affirmations need to vibe with what you already believe deep down. If you are struggling with self-worth, saying I'm a millionaire 100 times a day might not do much. You're just not feeling it, right? So, how can we use affirmations effectively? The key is to make them resonate with your current beliefs while gently guiding you towards positive change. For instance, if you struggle with self-worth, start an affirmation like, I am open to feeling worthy of love and abundance. Additionally, affirmations should be part of a broader self-care and personal growth routine. Use them in conjunction with practices like meditation, journaling, or therapy to address underlying beliefs and emotions. The magic happens when we integrate these resonant affirmations into our daily routines. Whether it's during morning meditation or as you sip your morning tea, or even as you commute to work, find moments to affirm your positive beliefs. Affirmations can be particularly potent for self-love and healing. If you're on a journey of self-discovery and inner healing, try affirmations like, I am worthy of love and healing, or I release what no longer serves me. Daily affirmations are not instant fixes, but they are a beautiful and gradual path to transformation. They invite us to be mindful of our thoughts, to choose empowering beliefs, and to rewrite our lives' narratives. As we conclude this exploration into the power of daily affirmations and why they do not work for everyone, I extend a heartfelt invitation to you. If you are ready to delve and dive deeper into the transformative potential of affirmations and embark on a soul journey of self-discovery, consider booking a soul clarity session with me. These sessions are designed for seekers like you who wish to explore the vast landscape of your inner world, uncover your unique path, and align your daily practices with your deepest desires. Thank you for joining me on this soul-enriching journey through the world of daily affirmations. As you embrace the power of positive beliefs and align them with your authentic self, may you step into a life filled with authenticity, abundance, and inner peace. Until our next soulful connection, my beautiful souls, may your days be illuminated by the radiant power of daily affirmations.